Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm excited because I just got an email from, let me go back to the top here, swling.com website, which gives you very up-to-date, valuable information about shortwave radio and other things related to shortwave radio. And they just posted this, that the Eton Elite Satellite HD receiver is shipping. There it is right there. This is based on the old Eton E1, which was a highly, or still highly, desirable radio. And this is the new version. It was announced back in 2019, and it's just now shipping, and it's available on Amazon. And this is a large radio, a large portable radio. It is expensive. This is a Cadillac of portable shortwave radios. So if we go to Amazon, there it is right there. We go back to the top picture. It's a little expensive, but it's just coming out, so this price will come down. How much? I don't know, but it will come down. There's only 19 in stock. I don't know who else will be selling it. Maybe Anon.co. Maybe Ann will be selling these. You can get one as early in the United States as early as August 23rd. That's next week. $600. And this is the initial major release, so it could have some bugs. And this is a big display. I don't think they tell you how big it is. I don't remember how big the E1 was. Let me see down here, details. There's a user's guide available. You can download. No ratings. Of course, I don't think anybody's bought it yet. And I don't like the display. If that is really representative of what it's going to look like, I don't like it. It's not enough contrast. Don't like that display. That's a showstopper for me. That would be hard for me to read. It's a little better there. And maybe you can adjust the brightness level. There, not usable. Totally unusable. That's just back or something like that. Anyway, there it is. This is, let's see, it's AM, FM, HD with shortwave, aircraft, and single sideband, multiple color. I wonder what that means. I'm going to have to do some research on this. Oh, multiple color display for RDS. I don't know. I don't know about that. Synchronous detection. Yeah, we'll see how that works out. Okay, about we're going to just sit on the sideline here. Maybe Tadabert will get one and give us a scoop on this. I'm not one to buy the very first production model of a radio because I've been burnt before, and typically it's kind of hard to get your money back. Let's see over here. It says item can be returned in its original condition for full replacement. You may receive a partial or no refund on used. Well, how are you going to check it out? What are you going to do? Get it delivered to you and just look at the box and go, okay, I don't want it, and then send it back to get your full refund? You're going to open it up, you're going to turn it on, it's going to be considered used. So I don't know about that. Maybe, like I say, maybe somebody else will start selling these. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. That's the news. Pretty exciting that it's finally shipping after all these not months, years. 2019. Gosh, that was like 3 years ago. Okay. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.